Welcome student. Now we study about mechanical properties of fluid. In today's lecture, we learn about effect of impurity and temperature on surface tension and excess pressure across the free surface of a liquid. Effect of impurity on surface tension of liquid can be either due to dissolved impurity or due to impurity on the surface tension of liquid. When highly soluble impurity like common salt, that is sodium chloride, is dissolved in water, it is found that surface tension of water increases. When the substance is highly soluble in the liquid, the solid molecule are attracted more strongly by the liquid molecule. If the attraction exceeds the cohesive force between the liquid molecules, the surface energy and hence the surface tension of liquid increases. Therefore, the surface tension of common salt solution is greater than that of the pure water. When a weakly soluble substance such as phenol or detergent is mixed with the water, surface tension of water decreases. The molecules itself move in the interior of the liquid. Their places in the surface are taken by the solid molecules. The concentration of solid molecules in the surface layer becomes higher than in the interior of the solution, thus surface tension decreases. When a soap is dissolved in water, the surface tension of solution decreases. Water makes good contact with the fabrics and it is able to remove tough strain. Effect of temperature on surface tension. In most of the liquid, as temperature increases, surface tension decreases. Only in the case of molten copper and molten cadmium, the surface tension increases with increase in the temperature. For example, it is suggested that the new cotton fabric should be washed in cold water. In this case, the water does not make good contact with the fabric. Due to its higher surface tension, the fabric does not lose its color because of this. Hot water is used to remove tough strain of fabric because of this lower surface tension. When the temperature of the liquid is increases, then the distance between the liquid molecules increases. Due to increase in distance, the cohesive force of attraction between the molecules decreases. With decrease in cohesive force, surface energy also decreases, hence the surface tension of liquid also decreases. The temperature at which surface tension of liquid becomes zero is called critical temperature of the liquid. Excess pressure across the free surface of a liquid. Every molecule on the liquid surface experience force due to the surface tension which are tangential to the liquid surface at rest. The direction of the resultant force surface tension acting on the molecules on the liquid surface depend on the shape of that liquid surface. This force also contribute in the deciding the pressure at a point just below the surface of a liquid. Figure shows the surface of three liquids with different shape and their menisci. Let Fa be the downward force due to the atmospheric pressure. All the three figures shows two molecules A and B. The molecule A is just above and the molecule B just below, that is, it's inside the liquid. Level difference between the A and B is almost zero, so that it does not contribute anything to the pressure difference. In all the three figures, the pressure at the point A is atmospheric pressure P. Plane liquid surface. Figure shows plane free surface of a liquid. In this case, the resultant force due to surface tension Ft on the molecule at B is 0. The force Fa itself decides the pressure and the pressure at A and B point is same. Convex liquid surface. surface of the liquid in figure is upper convex when seen from above. In this case, the resultant force due to surface tension Ft on the molecule at B is vertically downwards and add up onto the downward force Fa. This develops greater pressure at point B, which is inside the liquid and on the concave side of menisci. Thus, the pressure on the concave side, that is inside the liquid, is greater than that on the convex side, that is outside the liquid. Concave liquid surface. Surface of liquid in the figure is upper concave when it is seen from above. In this case, the force due to surface tension Ft on the molecule at B is vertically upward. The force Fa due to the atmospheric pressure act downwards. Force Fa and Ft act in opposite direction. Therefore, the net downward force responsible for the pressure at B is less than Fa. This develops a lesser pressure at point B, which is inside the liquid and on the convex side of the meniscus. Thus, the pressure on the concave side, that is outside the liquid, is greater than that on the convex side, that is inside the liquid. This is all about excess pressure across the free surface of a liquid. Thank you.